Are you wondering which office suite is better for you? Today, we're comparing OnlyOffice and Microsoft Office. Both tools help you create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. They are designed to boost your productivity and make collaboration easier, but they do have some key differences. Let's start with OnlyOffice. This tool is known for its strong collaboration features. You can work on documents in real time with your team. It's also open source, which means you can customize it to fit your needs. OnlyOffice is a great choice for small businesses or teams that want flexibility. Now, let's look at Microsoft Office. This is the classic choice for many users. It offers a wide range of features and tools. Microsoft Office is very user friendly and has been around for a long time. It's perfect for individuals or businesses that want a reliable and familiar option. So, what sets these two apart? First, OnlyOffice is more focused on collaboration. It allows multiple users to edit documents at the same time. On the other hand, Microsoft Office has a more extensive set of features and templates. It also integrates well with other Microsoft products. When it comes to pricing, OnlyOffice often offers a free version with basic features. Microsoft Office usually requires a subscription, but it often provides more advanced tools. In the end, if you need strong collaboration and flexibility, go for OnlyOffice. But if you want a comprehensive tool with a lot of features, Microsoft Office is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.